Hey there! We here at King of Pops are so excited for the big game this weekend in our hometown of Atlanta. In celebration of this special occasion, we want to take you inside Pond City Market to our pop bar and give you a behind the scenes look at how we make some of our most popular poptails. Maybe this will inspire you to make something fun for your big game parties this weekend. Alright, let's do this. Down, set, drink! Okay, folks, we're here to party for the big game, and what better than a bourbon and cola float poptail made with our ATL Classic Cola Float Pop. Start by dropping the pop right into the cup. Next, add a little ice. Then right into the cup, pour 2 ounces of your favorite bourbon. We like to use Old Forester. Oh yeah, that's gonna be nice and boozy. Next, simply top it off with your favorite cola. Get a nice tilt on the glass there while you pour to minimize fizz. Give your drink a nice stir using the pop to help all the flavors mix together. Touch down or turn up. Why not both? And there you have it, the Bourbon and Cola Float Poptail. Don't forget to add your paper straw and serve. Alright, next up is what we call the RLV, which means Raspberry Lime Vodka. It's our most popular drink. The basic things you'll need is a raspberry lime pop, a cup, and a shaker. We use Boston shakers, but if you don't have one of those, a pint glass will work just fine. We like to use Old Fourth Ward vodka, one of our favorite suppliers from right down the street. Then you'll need a batch of our top secret raspberry lime puree, which isn't really a secret. It's simply a 3-to-1 ratio of raspberry puree and lime juice. So that's 3 ounces of raspberry puree and 1 ounce of lime juice. If you're making this at home, you don't have to mix it together beforehand. We just do it to save time. First up, take your cup and drop in a raspberry lime pop. Then grab your shaker and add a hefty scoop of ice. Always start with the vodka first. Pour in 2 ounces. Delicious vodka. Then using the same measure, do 2 2-ounce pours of your raspberry lime puree. So that's 4 ounces total. Pour that in and shake it up for about 10 to 15 seconds. Next, strain using a Hawthorne strainer or whatever you have handy. Put a little bit of ice in the cup, not too much, just enough to cool it down and pour. Look at that, right to the brim, no sip left behind. And there you have it, the RLV. Next up is a very simple way to get into a celebratory mood, the Prosecco and Pop. Like any good poptail, you're going to start with the King of Pops popsicle. Any fruity pop can work for this, so we're going to use a blueberry lemonade. Just drop it into your champagne glass, then add some Enzo Prosecco. The most important thing here is to get a nice gradual tilt to the glass while you pour, so you don't foam it up too much and overflow the glass. Get it right up to the top and then give it a minute or two to let those delicious blueberry juices mix with the Prosecco. And there it is, ready to enjoy. Last up is something we like to call Pops and Hops, really simple pairings of beer and King of Pops popsicles. The first beer we have is a Tropicalia by Creature Comforts in Athens, Georgia. It's a juicy, citrus-forward IPA that pairs well with a raspberry lime or blueberry lemonade pop. Any fruit pop can work well with this beer. It's one of our favorite combinations. We also have a 3 Taverns Rapturous, a raspberry sour beer. Again, a sour beer will pair well with any fruit pop. I prefer a blackberry ginger lemon to give it a nice spice, or a raspberry rosewater. Last up is a graham cracker stout called Big Shanty by Burnt Hickory. We like to pair this with a chocolate sea salt or our Super Bowl special ATL Classic Cola Float Pop. Alright, let's make one. Take your chocolate sea salt pop and drop it in your cup. Then open up your graham cracker stout. Be sure to get a nice tilt and pour slowly. Let the magic happen and you're good to go. Well, that's it, folks. We hope you enjoyed learning how to make some of our Atlanta favorite poptails. To get some pops for your next event or party, visit kingofpops.com.